Recording.
Okay, today it's an absolutely crappy day in Melbourne, Australia. A little bit of rain, but it is blowing a gale. Very strong winds. I can hear a hell of a lot of wind noise in my helmet, so I'm doing an audio test because I imagine it is going to be absolutely terrible. 10C EVO, obviously the new one. We'll see how bad it turns out. I don't even know why I'm riding, to be honest. Just thought I'd test the microphone. I didn't have the microphone sock on it when I used it the other day for the first time. So I just put the sock on and thought we'll see if it makes a difference. But I'm tipping you're not going to be able to hear too much, just a lot of buffeting. Mainly because my head's getting hammered around as it is, so if I'm getting buffeting, I imagine the microphone's picking it all up. It sounds like I'm caught in a meat grinder inside the helmet. Bloody Melbourne, hey? 34 degrees one day, crappy 13 degrees, windy and rain the next. I don't really know where I am, to be honest, down these back streets, but that's alright. Damn, finally, hot weather all week. Work night shift. First day off. Crap. Come on, man. What are you doing? Seriously? Oh, there. Alright, back in a minute.